Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2012 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, heated seats, backup camera, power sunroof, remote engine start, power lift gate, premium wheels, traction control, air conditioning, driver airbag. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.